I'm making a short video ping so you can email this to your friends. It's already all fully wound. As you can see, the birds sing with full voice. They automate properly. It's nice and loud. And it's a big bird cage. I'm going to move to pause. This is a good test of the bellows. The longer the pause, the better the condition of the bellows and the mechanics. This may take a while. So what's happening is the top air chamber is slowly deflating with air. And once it reaches a certain point, it triggers the release of the governor and the mechanism plays again. There we go. The tighter the air seals are in the bellows, the longer the pause lasts. The pause also lasts longer as the mainspring is fully wound versus towards the end. We'll wait for one more pause. Move it back to continuous. The birds are gorgeous. All original beaks, feet, legs, feathers. And then to wind the mechanism, this has a silent ratchet inside by design. That was a superior movement to the movements that have the click. And if you notice when I wind this, you don't hear a clicking sound. It's because this mechanism was the superior model that had the silent ratchet. It's a large mainspring. I think that's good. In summary, an excellent antique Bontems, which is French singing bird cage. I kept everything original. Even the foliage here is original. The base floor is original. I didn't polish up the cage. The bellows are original. So are the birds. Gorgeous. Take care.